MKV GTI. So today we're going to be replacing the horns because they currently don't work on my car, and I've tested them before. So let's get to it. First things first, you need to remove the bumper. So the grill, I have mine covered by T25 and a T30 Torx. Make sure you always have yourself a Torx set like this. So I'm going to remove that now. Now pop up the grill. I had to go around the edge. Next up for me, I have two Phillips head screws. You might have something a little different. Now for me, those are the only bolts holding mine up. For yours, you're probably going to have a fender well right here, and it's probably going to be bolts right down here. And then also underneath the car, you'll have usually a splash shield and bolts all the way around. You'll also have more bolts on the other side as well, on the fender well and on the splash shield at the bottom. I don't have any of that, so let's work on just pulling it off. So grab the edge here, kind of just yank back a little bit. That should pop out. Head to the other side, same thing, yank back. You'll see that the bumper is starting to come out. Only thing holding mine in is the tow hook. Go ahead and grab it, and I just gotta wiggle it out. I might need two hands. There we go. With the bumper removed, for you, just make sure you be careful. Usually there's a fog light here, and then there's another lamp here. You can just pop those out. And the other side as well, usually there's fog light and a light bulb. My car is old, so a lot of stuff is broken. This will give you access to the horns. So you have one horn here on this side and one horn here on this side as well. So how I like to get these off, I like to use that top nut there. It's a 13mm socket. Grab the nut and the washer. With the horn removed, there's a clip here that you have to remove. Just kind of push that back and then pull out. Perfect. I just use like a flathead, well, screwdriver. Put it on the end, push it out. So, got these from Amazon. These are the new horns. And you'll see that it is almost identical. So before we go any further, I want to go ahead and plug this in. Make sure it works first. Perfect. I'll just let that hang for now. Turn the car in the on position. Perfect. Next up, we'll remove this nut. This is a 10mm. Okay, this nut was on so tight. I don't know why, but I was able to get it off. Probably won't be needing these. Alright, so next up, you just put it in between here, and then you start rolling it down with that nut. Alright, once you have it down nice and tight, don't forget to go ahead and replace that, well, put back on the plug-in for the sensor so that you can actually have a horn. And we'll do the same to the other side. Same thing, 13mm socket. When you first go to remove these, it's probably going to be super tight. I've removed these once before, so it doesn't take me nothing. Once you unbolt that, don't forget the washer and the nut. Put that off to the side. And then clip out that clip. Alright, perfect. And then going to remove that 10mm socket right on top. There we go. And then you don't need these little washer things. Alright, pull them up, place it right in there, and then put the nut on top. Perfect. Once it's tightened down, we get to replace the clip. And slide that in. Perfect. Just gonna bend it up a little bit. And I'll do the same to the other side. Perfect. One thing I just now thought about, probably having the horn this way is not the best way. Probably have it pointed down or to the back, something like that, or maybe tilted up where the water's not able to get right into the horn. That's probably what damaged it from the beginning. Just keep that in mind. Back inside the car, turn the key in the on position. There we go. Perfect. Sweet. So that's all that's needed. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper back on, finish everything up, tighten it back up, call it a day. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. I got a whole lot more content coming on the GTI. Eventually we're looking to do a KO4, and I want to go ahead and videotape everything. So my name is Rich. Y'all have a good one. Peace.